Alright, today I want to talk about the PoodLL database activity field. This is a multimedia field that you can add to Moodle database activities. So using the multimedia field you can add cameras or whiteboards or a video recorder or an audio recorder to your database activity. So today I'm actually just going to show you an activity that I made that worked very well, and it was very fast to create, but my students really enjoyed it. And it was quite successful. Alright, so here is my course. We use a textbook called First Hand Access, and so you can see some of the activities are based on that. The activity that I'm going to show you today is this one here, Draw the Scene, and this is a drawing activity. We use the whiteboard. So let's open that up now. We're logged in as a student, so we're just seeing it from the student's point of view. And you'll see here at the top a very simple explanation: draw the scene, listen to the audio, then add your picture. Good luck. And we've configured the database activity so that the student must add at least one entry before they can see the other students' entries. So in this activity we're going to listen to this audio here, which I don't think you'll be able to hear, but I'll read it for you as it's spoken so you know what it is that the students will be drawing.
In this picture,
there is a man.
And he is dressed very well.
He has a
suit and a tie.
He has a suit and a tie.
He is running very fast.
He is running
towards the camera.
He is
being chased by an old aeroplane.
The man
away from the aeroplane.
The man is running away from an aeroplane. Alright, so it's a very simple audio that they have to respond to. They listen to that several times before they choose to begin drawing the picture. To do the drawing itself, they'll click on Add Entry, and they have a very simple form. We have a short explanation at the top, and then they have the PoodLL whiteboard here. Alright, let's draw our picture of the man. And he's running away from an aeroplane, as we know. He's running very fast. Okay, I'm not great at drawing aeroplanes or drawing men, but you see the point. And here is the Save button for the whiteboard. You must click this button here because it submits the picture. And then here it submits it to like a pre-processing stage, and here when we actually press the save and view, that picture is completely submitted to the activity. Alright, and my test user is Andrew Bing Wen Wong, but you can see that my picture is here. But now we also have all of the other students' pictures available, and we've got a total of 49, so if you want to go one by one you can see them in that order. The student didn't submit anything. The student probably didn't finish the activity. But if we want to see all of them in a list, we can see here. There's one student drew the man running away from a camera, running with a camera and an aeroplane in the background. This student drew again a man running with a camera and the airplane in the background. And the student, very similar. Okay, most of these students made the mistake of thinking that the man was in fact carrying a camera. But the point here is that after the student has submitted their own picture, then they can see the pictures of the other students, and this is really a lot of fun for them. They really enjoy the activity, and they go back and they look at the pictures again. And if you have two or three classes doing the same activity, they enjoy to see the students who are in a different class's pictures also. And this is the actual picture that I was describing. It's from the movie North by Northwest, an Alfred Hitchcock movie, and the man is running away from an aeroplane and he's running towards the camera. And after the activity is finished, I show them this picture, and of course that's always very interesting too. This picture could be placed, somewhere so that the students, after they've submitted their own picture, they could see it. In the case of this particular activity, the students might see that picture. They might see this picture on the computer of another student who'd finished earlier than themselves. So I chose not to do that. but in a different class or a different setup, that would probably be a good idea. Alright, well, very quickly, that is how we run activities using the PoodLL database activity in my school. I hope that was useful. If you're interested, please go to www.poodl.com and you can download PoodLL, or if you're just interested in trying it out, demo.poodl.com has a number of activities that you could actually just play with online.